everyone. My name is Margaret Nickel, and I'm a licensed esthetician in the state of Colorado. I'm also laser certified for Colorado, and this is going to be an update video on my castor oil uses and my Botox treatment that I received. I got a lot of comments on my video when I talked about castor oil, Botox, Ozempic. So I really appreciate it. I will answer every single comment, and if you want to talk, we can. I'm going to be sending a picture to a physician that had a lot to say about the amount of Botox I had and where it was injected. So we'll see what he says when he looks at the photo. Now, we all know that I'm on 0.1 Ozempic. I've been on it for about a week and a half. I still haven't lost any weight. I've been on Ozempic since December 7th. And my daughter, I just called my physician. She's out of town for 3 weeks, and another physician got back to me. And he said that I was on a very low dose. But like I said, I have a lot of reservations. I want to make sure that I don't make myself ill from the Ozempic, because there's many, it is a serious medication. It's not something to fool around with. And according to my doctor, you need to start out with slow doses. So we'll see. And then, I'm still using the castor oil on my skin. Is it firming my skin? Is it, it's certainly hydrating my skin. I have pretty firm skin for my age, for being 65. So I think a lot of that is just genetic. And then I haven't been out in the sun. I have had IPLs and different laser treatments because I was in the business of skincare. So I had opportunity at a low cost or nothing to treat my skin. And then another thing I wanted to talk about also is, in the wintertime, I don't use the Vanicream cleanser. I just use the Abilene. So I put this Abilene on dry skin, and I really work it around. It breaks down your water-resistant SPF and eye makeup, and then I take a warm washcloth and I just, take it off, and that's it. And then I put on my castor oil, and then I put on my, as we all know, I'm going to reach over here, my Vanicream moisturizing SPF and my Ulta MD. I might have left it in the bathroom. And the Ulta MD is tinted. It's expensive. I mix it with my Vanicream SPF 30, and it looks nice. My skin doesn't look orange or, So anyway, like to have my natural skin color shine through. That's important to me. I don't want to be spray tanning my face or changing the natural color of my skin with cosmetics. Not a fan of that. I also want to talk about the Tartelette tubing mascara I've been using. I'm going to buy a full-size bottle of this today from Amazon. I think I bought this at the Nordstrom rack. Sometimes before you're in the line to check out, they have all these little tiny makeups that you can buy. And so far, this is the best mascara I've tried for older women who wear heavy moisturizers on a daily basis. So I'm so excited to find that, because I don't hear any influencers talking about it. So that is good. And then, of course, I have makeup on, but it doesn't look like I have makeup on, but I had makeup on. And one of the things I didn't forget was my liner that I line the inside of my eyes with on the bottom, and I do it on top. I didn't do it that much on top, but I did it. And then, as far as taking concealer and just putting it all over your eyes, what I do is I have like a little concealer stick, and it's actually from Burberry. Burberry also has cosmetics, and I kind of just maybe go around here. I go around here. I just kind of dab it around instead of just slathering my eye area with a thick concealer. And that works out for me. And then I also still have my beautiful blankety lipstick on from MAC. I do love MAC cosmetics. They are pricey, but I just love them. And of course, I am postmenopausal, and I just have all the symptoms of postmenopausal weight gain, constipation. I also don't have a thyroid. I had Hashimoto's thyroiditis, which is an autoimmune disease, and I think it started in my high school years. I was drinking diet soda yet again, and that's when my addiction started. And then I was so stressed out. I had moved from Michigan to California when I was 14, and my parents had so many issues. They weren't there for me. I was incredibly lonely. I just became such a broken person. I was just a shell of my former self, and I really feel that that experience affected my thyroid. So, and when it comes to just postmenopausal constipation, what my doctor has me taking Easy Go by Dr. Schultz, and I'm not recommending you take that. I'm taking it, and it seems to be working for me. And I'm still taking the castor oil, and I take two gel capsules. I take them 3 times a day. Do I find that it's helping me? Maybe. I don't know. I'm just going to keep taking it for perceived inflammation. I feel like I have a lot of gut issues and inflammation from a poor diet, drinking alcoholically, stress, being lonely. I think being lonely really affects your health. Now, luckily, I'm not lonely anymore. And so that's like a great relief for me. And let's see, what else can I say? So anyway, in about a week and a half, I can't remember if I just said this, I'm going to be taking a picture of myself, I think I said this, and send it to the doctor on my Botox. Now, the doctors that contacted me, they felt that instead of my eye area going up, that it's going to go down. So you're all looking at my face, my eyes now. It is February 29th. So in a couple of weeks, let's see what my face looks like. And I do have some of the Tartelette mascara on. It doesn't look like it. I'll tell you, I'm just over the fake eyelash look. It just screams I'm desperate. I'm over the blue eyeshadow, the green eyeshadow, especially when you're my age. It looks ridiculous. Let's stop, ladies. Let's just be, happy with ourselves. You can enhance your looks. Come on. So I think that is all I have to say now. I really had to force myself to get out of bed this morning and say, Margaret, you put some makeup on, you brush your hair, you put some jewelry on. We all know how much I love jewelry. These are some beautiful gold and diamond Huggies. And then I have this beautiful necklace. This is fire opals from Mexico. And I actually bought this necklace in Santa Monica when I lived there, and I can't even remember the name of the store, but they have a sale every year, and you always see celebrities in this store. It was always fun, and they have very high-end clothing and jewelry, and I think they have a 50 to 75% off every year. It's great. It's fun. So this is it for me, and I am going to go over and look at this video and see if this video is good for you all. And have a wonderful day. It's beautiful here in Colorado. Talk to you later.